Which Arabic dialect should I learn? This is probably the most confusing question for anyone who wants to learn Arabic. Should I begin by learning Standard Arabic first, or make it easy for myself by choosing a specific Arabic dialect? In this video, I will share with you 5 facts that will help you making your choice. Furthermore, I have an announcement by the end of this video about a new way to learn Arabic, so make sure to watch it all to the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mustafa Nasser speaking again from Arabic for Nuns. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe my channel, activate the bell, and like the video. And if you like my new microphone from Samsung company, I will leave the Amazon link in the video description below. It's really magnificent and I used it to record this video. Now, let's begin. Standard Arabic, or what's called Fusha, is the official language of all Arabian countries, which are 22 in the Middle East. This is the official language that's used in formal addressing, education, news reports, writing and publishing, and many more. But when you go down into daily lives, Arabs are not using Standard Arabic in communication. Instead, they, or should I say we, use different dialects. Every country in the Middle East has its own dialect, and you can even find more than one dialect in the same country. The 2 most popular Arabic dialects in the Middle East are Egyptian and Levantine dialects. That's why Egyptian and Lebanese movies, music, and TV shows are the most popular in the Middle East. So the confusion arises for non-Arabs is due to this diglossia we Arabs are using. If we go to school, to the court, to any ministry for any formal transaction, we use Standard Arabic. However, in daily lives, we are communicating in our dialect. Today, I will try hard to uncover some important insights about this opposition. First of all, you need to understand one important thing, which is one of the main reasons Arabic dialects even exist is to make communication easier away from the complexity and tidiness of Standard Arabic and its grammar. And this is fact number 1. Grammar varies. Once you begin by learning the dialect first, you will witness many variations from the standard grammar. Let me give you this one obvious example. We know that in Standard Arabic we have 3 levels of number: singular, mufrad, dual, muthanna, and plural, jamma. Each one of them has its own pronouns, its own way of verb conjugation, its own case ending, and many more. In spoken Arabic, we have only 2 levels: singular and plural. Dual doesn't exist in Arabic dialects. For example, the pronoun they. In Standard Arabic, it has 3 different forms. Huma, this one is used for dual, both masculine and feminine. Hum is used for masculine plural, and hunna for feminine plural. In spoken Arabic, Egyptian dialect in specific, it's only one, hum, and this one is used for both dual and plural regardless of the gender. All features related to this pronoun follow the same pattern. For example, verb conjugation. If we want to conjugate the verb kataba in Standard Arabic, it will be having 3 different conjugations: huma kataba, hum katabu, and hunna katabna. On the dialect side, it's only one conjugation, humma katabu, the same one used for masculine plural in Standard Arabic. Now, this is a serious drawback. I mean, imagine you begin by learning the dialect first without any background of Arabic grammar. You would never know that dual even exists, right? A second example of grammar deviations between Standard Arabic and spoken Arabic is the intact masculine plural, jam'u al-mudhakkar al-salim. We know that in Standard Arabic, whenever we want to get the intact masculine plural of a singular word, we have to add one of 2 suffixes, waw nun or ya nun, based on the position of the word in the sentence. For instance, the word muallim, a teacher, the intact masculine plural is muallimun or muallimin. Muhandis, an engineer, مهندسون or مهندسين. فلاح, a farmer, فلاحون or فلاحين, and so on. In spoken Arabic, we only use the second suffix. معلمين, مهندسين, فلاحين. You will never hear an Arabian say معلمون or مهندسون. The suffix واو نون doesn't exist in Arabic dialects. So, if you're not familiar with Arabic grammar, you might get confused about the rules we use in spoken Arabic. Lucky for you, I have a playlist on my channel that takes you from level 0 up to a solid foundation in standard Arabic grammar. And the thing is, every single lesson in this playlist contains a PDF file that you can download for free. I will leave the link in the video description below. Now, let's move to fact number 2, pronunciation. What's happening with grammar is also happening with pronunciation, which is we break rules to communicate easier. One of the main and greatest differences between standard Arabic and spoken Arabic is case ending, or what we call التشكيل. Case ending in standard Arabic has lots of conditions, and more importantly, we need to make them obvious in pronunciation. Like this sentence here, الولد كتب الدرس بالليل. So, all case ending are very obvious. I said الولد كتب الدرس. Do you know that in spoken Arabic we never use case ending? So, this sentence here, in spoken Arabic, it will be like this. الولد كتب الدرس بالليل. I didn't say الولد. I didn't say كتب. Instead, I made them all consonant. الولد كتب الدرس. All case ending are made consonant in Arabic dialects. What's happening? What did you just say? Arabs are not using tashkil in speaking. So I'm stressing myself, learning case ending and all its cases, and you're telling me Arabs are not using it? Yeah. I'm done. You are the worst teacher there is. يا عبيط. Another technique we use it to facilitate communication is to convert some sounds into others. Like this one here, th. This sound is equivalent to the unvoiced th sound in English. In spoken Arabic, we used to convert it into th. You can obviously see this with numbers. ثلاثة, 3, ثلاثة. ثمانية, 8, we say ثمانية. We also do this with many words like ثوم, garlic, توم. ثعلب, a fox, ثعلب. Another one is قا. In Egypt, we used to convert it into a. قلب, a heart, قلب. قطة, we say قطة. Sometimes this conversion might end up with a completely different word. Like this one, قلم, a pen. In Egypt, we used to say ألم. Now, this word in standard Arabic means a different thing. It means pain. So again, spoken Arabic will not teach you the actual sounds and pronunciation of Arabic. You can also check my channel for many videos on pronunciation that contain some funny exercises that makes it easy for you. Now, a very important question arises here. One might wonder, as long as spoken Arabic is much easier in grammar and pronunciation than standard Arabic, why should I waste my time learning standard Arabic in the first place? Actually, this question arises from a common belief many non-Arabs used to believe in, which is, Arabs are not using standard Arabic anyway, so I shouldn't probably waste my time learning something that's not actually used in real life. But this is wrong. Indeed, standard Arabic is used almost every single day in Arabian countries. And this is fact number 3. Standard Arabic is used in all Arabian countries almost every day. It's true we don't speak it, though we use it in many other forms, like reading. All newspapers, books, online magazines, and Arabic websites are using standard Arabic. Furthermore, any kind of written instructions, even if it's as simple as a traffic signboard, is written in standard Arabic. So when we read newspapers or books every single day, we are reading standard Arabic. We also use it in the listening form, as all official announcements, presidential or governmental speeches, all news reports, local or global, many TV and radio programs like the popular Quran broadcast from Cairo are all transmitted in Standard Arabic. So when we listen to news every single day, we are listening to Standard Arabic. Lastly, the written form. All kinds of documents, letters, even your CV or resume, you are writing them in Standard Arabic. So if I'm filling a form for my college, for my bank account, if I want to submit a letter to the court, for example, or a document to any official destination, I am doing all that in Standard Arabic. So however we don't use the spoken form of Standard Arabic, we use it in many other forms, in writing, reading, and listening. And this gets us to fact number 4. Arabs understand Standard Arabic very well, because as I explained in the previous point that we use Standard Arabic in many forms, there is a second reason, which is Standard Arabic is the language of education in all Arabian countries. So any Arabian who went to school studied Standard Arabic in all basic education levels. I myself spent 12 years from primary school up to high school studying everything about Standard Arabic. Even the basic subjects in primary and secondary schools like history, geography, and even mathematics have been taught in Standard Arabic. So if you speak to any Arabian in Standard Arabic, probably he will laugh because no one is speaking Standard Arabic, but he will understand you very well and he will be able to communicate with you. Lastly, Arabic dialects are basically derived from Standard Arabic. In greetings, for example, the expression ahlan means hello. In Egypt, we use it the same, ahlan. In other dialects, you might hear it as hala, like hala wallah. And in a third one, you might hear it as ahleen. Ahleen Muhammad. The interrogative noun aina, which means where, in Egypt we used to convert alif into fa to be fain. In some Gulf dialects, they used to convert it into waw to be wain, and so on. Even Arabs themselves, whenever they get stuck speaking in their different dialects, they try to rephrase in Standard Arabic to get close to the meaning. That's why you will see many expressions and vocabs are common in all Arabic dialects. And here is the announcement I promised you in the beginning of this video about a new way to learn Arabic. Currently, I'm working on a new course, Arabic that all Arabs understand, which will focus on the common vocabs and speaking expressions that all Arabs understand without the need of specific dialect. I don't have a specific time for this course, but anyway, subscribe my channel to stay in touch. Now, going back to our question, why should I waste my time learning Standard Arabic if I can learn spoken Arabic, which is easier? Well, I'm sure by now you have enough reasons to begin with Standard Arabic. First, Standard Arabic will enable you to read newspapers, books, and follow Arabic websites, to listen to news, Arabic documentaries and broadcasts, and also to be able to write any kind of documents, letters, or forms. And second, to get the grammar and pronunciation correctly, because as we explained in this video, spoken Arabic has lots of deviations from the actual grammar and pronunciation of Arabic. So this is a valuable rule of learning in the first place. Try to get the basics first correctly, and then you can manipulate them the way you like. After learning Standard Arabic to a certain level, it only takes few weeks to master any Arabic dialect. And of course, Standard Arabic itself is understandable among Arabs. So in the first stages, you might communicate with your Arabian friends in Standard Arabic and then try to catch up some vocabs in their own dialect. So the bottom line of this video is to begin with Standard Arabic, to get the grammar and pronunciation correctly, to take advantage of the listening, writing, and reading features, and also to start making sensible conversations with your Arabian friends. Unless you're moving to an Arabian country for the purpose of studying, living, or even working, only then I think you might begin with the dialect. I hope this video gave you some insights about Arabic and explained its diglossia. If you have any questions left, please type them in the comment section below. I will be there for you. And I will be glad if you tell me which topic about Arabic language you would like me to discuss on my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the bell, like the video, and join our Facebook group from the link in the video description below. And also check the video description for many links. See you!